Hello everyone, how are you today?
Morning, sir.
But
Yes,
Masa,
good morning. Good morning, all of you. Hope you have rested well. Sorry for the delay. We trying to, we wanted the meeting to be recorded, so I had to wait. Okay. Now, from my screen, you can see that we're going into HTML today. All of you, if you are listening, please raise your hand. If all of you are active on the call. Okay. Like, it seems like you guys are ready. So, we are starting today with HTML. And we're going to cover HTML for today and tomorrow. Then we're going to CSS. Now, you can tell me what the meaning of HTML is. Anyone?
So,
Hypertext
hypertext markup
markup.
language.
Wait. All of you should mute yourselves and raise up your hand. When I want you to speak, I'll tell you to. So we'll start with Akan. Okay, what is HTML? What's the full meaning of HTML rather?
Hypertext markup language.
Okay, that's good. That's really correct. Now, does any of you have an idea of what HTML is? Okay, and Deacon, your hand has been up since. Can you tell me what HTML is? What's you understand by
Yeah,
HTML?
so I think HTML is like one of the coding languages which normally used in websites. I think like one of the languages usually used in making websites and designing websites and editing websites.
Okay, that's beautiful. That's really correct. Tolu, seems like you want to say something. Can you tell me what you understand by HTML?
Yes, sir. HTML is a programming language that is used to design and create the content of a website.
Okay. That's also good. Anybody else? Tolu, your hand is still up. You have more to say. Okay. Seems like there's only three of you that understand HTML. So let's get right into it.
good morning, everyone. Confirm you can hear me.
Yes, ma'am, I can hear you. Yes, ma'am, I can hear you.
Okay, so as my partner said, we are taking HTML for today and tomorrow. I'm happy that quite a number of you know the meaning of HTML, but we are going to go deeper into it. So get your writing materials ready as we are here to learn. So HTML, as you guys said, is like a structure, it's a language for a website. So let me break it down. The full meaning of HTML is hypertext markup language. Are you following? Are you following?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, the full meaning of HTML is hypertext markup language. And it might sound big, but let me break it down. So the first word there, the first letter there is H, which stands for hyper. Hyper means something that can connect or link to other informations. I repeat, hyper means something that can connect to, or link to other information. Okay, let me give an example. We all know what a website is, what a web page. When you click a link on a website and it takes you to another web page, that is a hypertext. It's just like when you click on a link, the page that link directs you to, that is what we call a hypertext. I hope you're writing. So the next letter, which is the T, it stands for text. Text is quite simple. It means words that can be read on a web page. English language, just simply words that can be read on a web page. Example, welcome to my website. Welcome to KodeHauz online training, whatever. But the text is simply the words that can be read on a web page. The next letter is the M, markup. It means using the special tags to tell the browser what different pieces of the content are. We'll not really go deep into that one because that one is more of the practical. It's just special tags. When you're running your code in HTML, you come across tags. That's the H1, H2, all those things. You come across them. So don't worry. Then the L, that's the language. It's a way of communicating. HTML is a language we use to communicate instructions to a web browser. I hope you guys understand. A language is just a way of communicating, and HTML is that language we use to communicate instructions to a web browser. So let me just put everything together. Without HTML, you might likely not be able to have access to a web page, or even if you write, let me just put it again. See, I want everyone to understand me. HTML is a language used to create and organize the content and structure of web pages. HTML is used to organize the content and structure of a web page. Think of it like a house. HTML is the structure of the house. That means that it's like the foundation you get. It's like the structure of that building. Then CSS, of which we'll go into, not today, is the appearance, how the house will look like, the layout, and how the house will look like. Then JavaScript is the actions and behavior. But today we're focusing on HTML, which is just the structure of the house. I hope you guys understand me.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. I understand.
Yes, ma'am.
So you can summarize what I just said. If you guys really understand me, someone should just unmute his or her mic and explain what I just said.
Okay, who can you summarize for us?
So she said that HTML means hypertext markup code. So actually, she said that it's the structure of the website. It gives the format of everything. While JavaScript, or while other programs can now add in other things, but the HTML is the backbone of the website. It controls everything that's happening on the website.
Okay, thank you. Is there anyone else? Okay, Tolu, your
Yes, sir. What I understand is that HTML is the structure of the website. Like, let's say a skeleton. Then CSS is the appearance, the style, and how it comes out to be. So, let's just say CSS like the skin of the skeleton.
I know you got that one from my slides, but good. That's very good. That's very good. Is there anyone else? So telling me that no one else heard what she was saying. And they can even you.
So I was going to say something before, but I have pretty much said what I wanted to say.
If you still have something to say it. It doesn't matter.
Okay, simply, HTML is just like the backbone of the website. That the other programming languages, the other programming languages just give the websites designs and all those things. So basically, HTML is just the backbone, the skeleton, like she said, like the foundation of a house. That that's HTML.
Okay, that's good. So did you raise your hand?
Yes, I have something to add.
Okay, I don't.
Okay, should I talk?
You can talk, you can talk.
Okay, sir. So HTML and CSS are like the front end and how the website will appear to the user. It includes the user experience and UI interface. Then the other programming language like Java or or Python or PHP is then the backend, which is just like which control the whole website to do what it wants to do.
Okay, okay. That's good. That's good. So I think some of us, if not all, understand the basics of HTML. So let's go into it. Now, what are the things I would expect you to build at the end of our classes? For today, we're going to build a structured personal profile web page at the end of this. So I hope all of you have your Code AI and Web Labs ready. Do you? If not, you can start setting this now. But the second day, will complete a multi-page HTML website. So hope you guys are ready. I hope you guys are ready to go into the lesson. Raise your hand if you are. Is it just them? All right, then let's start. Now, as my partner said, HTML1 means hypertext markup language, and it is the structure of a web page. When you search something up, let's say you go to your browser and you search up, what do I start from? Let's say you search up an autobiography on someone. Everything that you're seeing, all the write up, everything like that, that is HTML. It is basically the skeleton or the building structure of that web page. Andy, can you have a question?
Oh no no no.
Okay, like I was saying, HTML is basically the structure of the web page. As you can see on the slide, think of it as a skeleton. Let's use a human body for example. Before you have all this flesh, all this thing, you start with your skeleton. Your skeleton is the basic, it's how it's how your body is formed. Either it's something you can apply to a web page or HTML. Now, CSS, because we will go into all of this. CSS is now the appearance of the web page, the colors, spacing, the everything is put down under CSS. So you can think of it as your skin, as a design on the web page. You understand?
Yes sir.
You guys understand?
Yes sir. We understand.
Okay. Now, JavaScript is your behavior. This is basically all that is the active part of the web page. This is all the things you click, everything that pulls down, or when you go to a page, all those three dots you see, all of them is under JavaScript. Okay, now let's go to a HTML file. In a standard HTML file, let's say you're using VS Code, this is the basic things you will see in your HTML file. Your dot, your now, you guys are following me, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. All right. Now, your doctor. Now, this tells the browser that what you're doing is a modern HTML element. That is, that is basically it. That is the main reason for this job type here. Without it, your browser wants to know what you're doing, whether you put it in the HTML file or not. Now, HTML language, as you can see, this tells the browser, sorry, this tells the browser and assisted tools the page language. This tells you that everything that's in this browser is English, not a different language. Do you understand?
Yes, sir. We understand.
Yes, sir,
Sorry,
we
I'm running through it
understand.
like this. Sorry, I'm running through it like this. I just want you to understand this so you can get into some practicals. Now, HTML. HTML is the root element containing the whole web page. So everything from here, everything, everything under that HTML is what you see in the web page. Now, the head. As you can see, the head contains information about the page that is not visible in the main context. That's why if you're creating a web page, now when we go into it, you see that everything here, all these UTF-8, all these viewports, all of this here, you're not going to be able to see it when you start your web page. Do you understand?
Yes, sir. We do.
Okay. Now, title, as the name implies, when you search something up, what you're searching is the title. Is the text that will show on your browser tab. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, I want to go. Can you all set up your code AI for me and share your screen, please?
So I didn't get it, sir.
Can you all set up your code AI? Let's let's go into some things. It's easier to explain HTML while doing practicals, if you understand me.
Okay. Okay, sir. Well, we should set up our code does. Yeah.
Your code.ai, yes.
So, oh, I thought it was like I thought like HTML was like had its own website.
A what?
I thought HTML had its own website.
Yes, but since we're already started on code.ai, we'll be able to do it there. It's much easier.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, so once you've done that, please share your screen.
So should I send my screen now?
Yeah, once if you've done it already, please start sharing your screen.
Yeah, she open web lab.
It's called what?
Yes, WebLab.
Web lab.
WebLab,
Yes, I'm
yes.
ready.
You guys
I'm
are
ready.
ready.
Yes, I can share.
Are you seeing something like this?
So
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I can see something like that.
You guys are still seeing my screen, right?
Yes.
yes, yes,
Yeah,
yes.
yeah, we can see your screen.
Wait, I'm only hearing like 3 people on this call. Okay.
Let's have a
If you
problem.
can see my screen and you're following me, please raise up your hand. Okay. All right. We have a good number of people following us. Okay, now let's get started. If we start up a new project now, weblog, this is what all of you are seeing, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Sir, please, I'm kind of lost. What did you say we should do?
How do we what? Sorry, who was speaking? You're lost. What's the problem?
I'm kind of lost, sir, please. You said we should open something.
Oh, are you new here?
No.
No. Okay, I said you should go to your code.ai that you use to create your games during the last class.
Okay.
Okay.
I can't hear you.
Have you done so? No, I'm not saying anything. I'm waiting for. I'm blessed. Have you done so? Hmm.
Yes, sir, I've done that.
You have created a new project on the web lab. Have you?
No, no. No, I've not
It's
created.
great. Please mute your mic if you're not speaking. Assuming you've done so, let's get right into it. So right now we're going to be creating a very simple web page, just through the headers and everything. And I'll be using this to explain to you the different elements in HTML that I'll be doing today. Are you following? If you're
Yes,
following, please
sir.
raise up
So,
your hand. Okay. Now, like I said, if you remember what I said, your doc type dot your doc type HTML tells the browser. I know we're not using the browser, we're using this, but it's supposed to tell the browser that you're working on a modern HTML website. Now, everything from here to your to here, is what your HTML is all about. This is, as you can see, the body, everything inside this, everything you're going to
sir,
do is
please,
going to be
sir, please, from where to where?
from where is the first HTML here to here. You understand?
I can't see your cursor.
You can't see my cursor.
Yeah.
Can you see this place?
No, wait. I think yours is down. I can see
I can see your cursor, but it's actually down.
yeah, your cursor is down.
My cursor is down.
Yeah, just move this.
Okay, can you? It's moving now.
It's just the stationary.
Hmm. Okay, I do this. Okay. Can you see my screen now?
Yes, you can see your screen, sir.
Yeah. Do you guys have something like this on web, your web lab?
Yes,
Yeah.
yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now, like I was saying, okay, I've heard you guys. Like I was saying, your doc type of HTML, like I was saying, is what tells the browser you're doing a modern HTML website, as you can see here. Now, everything you're going to be doing in this HTML is going to be contained within this place, as you can see, and the HTML at the bottom.
Yes.
Now, we can notice something between the two. Anything between the two HTMLs you're seeing there.
So
Second
the
one has
slash.
a slash.
Okay. The slash. Now, let me explain what the slash is. These two things, these two less than or greater than signs, as you know it, are opening and closing tags. They are opening and closing tags. Now, in an opening tag, it is just the signs and what you're writing inside, your element. As for the closing tag, it is that with the slash. Now, now the reason why this has a slash and your doctor the HTML does not have a slash because you're putting things into your HTML. Do you understand?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. We understand. Yes, sir.
Are
We
you guys
understand.
understanding me? Now, let's go into websites. For the purpose of web lab, I'm going to go straight into the body. Now, the body, as you can see, is everything that will be shown on your preview page. And we're going to start with the first basic element you need to know, and that is your H1. Now, what is your H1? Your H1 is simply your header. That is the basic explanation for your H1. It is the heading of the page. So we'll start with hello world. Are you guys following?
Yes, sir.
Are you following?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, this are basic H1. H on its own is basically a header, which is why you can have up to six headers. So let's go H2. All right, hi. You can see the differences, right?
Yes, sir.
Now, H1 is the main header of the page. H2 and others are subheadings. So we'll go into the next, which is your paragraph. Now, your paragraph is basically and simply the write-ups inside under your headings. Are you all following? So if I want to write something like this is my first time coding. You can see it showing there, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now let me explain something. All these things, all these your headers, your paragraphs, all these are your elements. Now, what are elements? Elements are what helps you to write the web page because in a normal standard VS Code, you can't randomly put anything there and it shows up. All of these are things to help the web page differentiate between what is what, like your headings, your paragraphs, your list, and we'll get all of that. You all understand?
Yes, sir.
I'm only the only person in this call. If you understand, unmute yourself and tell me you understand. Can you all not hear me today? If you understand, please unmute yourself and tell me you understand.
I understand. Okay, I understand.
I understand.
Okay.
I understand.
Huh? Okay. Okay, since all of you understand, let's continue. Now, there are multiple elements that I can have under a web page or under this one heading. Now, I've shown you what your header is, I've shown you what your paragraph is. This is an attempt to do because I'll ask you all of this at the end of the class. Now, let's go to list. In your web page, when you're checking off something and you see who is joining on my web page, who is joining on my screen,
So it was done.
please, whoever did this should please clean it up. Okay, thank you. There's still a random red dots on my screen. Oh, mm. let's move on. Hope all of you are trying this out on your own to see the outcomes.
Yes, I
Yes,
have.
Okay,
sir. Yes, sir.
okay. Now let's go to list. Lists are very easy, but there's a lot to uncover. Now list. The elements for list is Li, as you can see there. Now there are two types of list. There's an ordered list and there's an unordered list. Okay. Give me a moment. I'm having some issues. All right. Sorry. Now let's go back to the list. Now there are two types of list. There's an unordered list, which is shown by this, and there's an ordered list, which is shown by OL. Now the difference between an ordered list is that an unordered list uses bullet points to show, while an ordered list uses numbers. And I'll show that now. Let's say you want to let's list random things like grocery items now. You write the elements for your ordered list and it starts with this.
So please, it's LI ordered list or
No, LI is what is used under each list. It's what shows your listing things.
Okay,
UL
okay.
is what the unordered list is.
Oh,
Okay?
yes, yes, I guess I get it.
Okay. Now, as you can see, another list uses bullet points to show that you're listing things. While ordered lists, if we start here, you can see it, right? You can see the differences between an ordered list and an ordered list.
So, so please, is there a way for you to remove the bullet points?
The what?
The bullet points or the numbering? Okay.
Is there a way for you to remove it? Not really. Why would you
Huh?
want to listen to that bullet points in the first place? You want to remove the bullet points and the numberings, like all of
No,
this.
the bullet points. Yeah. Is there a way?
Just the bullet points.
Yeah, it's just the bullet points.
Okay. Why are you asking? And they can.
Yes, sir. Sir.
Well,
Sir.
well, yes, you can, but that's you can do it with CSS, not in your HTML file.
Oh, okay, okay. Thank you, sir.
Okay.
Yes, thank
Okay.
you, sir.
All right. So if I'm rushing a bit, don't worry. I'll leave a time for questions. So you guys can see the differences between an ordered list and an unordered list. Now, depends on what you're doing. You can choose either one. You guys understand?
Yes,
Yes, sir.
yes, sir.
Okay. If you don't understand anything that I've done so far, please ask the question. Okay, since I'm not there, no questions. Raise your hand if you understand everything I've done so far. I only at hand that I can understand what I'm doing. If you understand, please raise your hand. Okay. Before I go further, I need someone to tell me what I have done so far. Just the basic things I have done and give me this explanation. Now, can we like to say something? I can.
Uh, so you showed us how to use the HTML and its different elements.
Okay. I'm asking if you can tell me what these elements are and how they work on a web page.
Also, what the H1 means heading, then the P means paragraph, the UL means ordered, unordered list, then the LI is for listing things, the OL is ordered list, and H2 is H2 is heading 2.
All right, that's good. Anybody else? I can give you a more detailed explanation of what I've been doing. Andy, can you answer up? Would you like to say something? Andy, can you answer up? Would you like to say something?
Yeah, but you just made a website so where you put hello world as the heading, and then you put it's my first time coding as something under the heading, and then you now use an on ordered list to list out milk, sugar, and rice. And you now use an ordered list to list out water and sugar. Then you now had a second heading, H H2 as high.
Okay, that's good. Seems like you understand this one.
So please, I have a question.
First, okay, hold up.
So please, when I
What
was
was the question?
when I was using HTML and I was at P at this P, it showed my text, the text I wrote after P, even without me putting the ending, that slash P. I didn't put it, but it showed my text on the white part.
Yes, I've noticed that this is a simple website builder. It's aimed to help you understand. This is not basically what you'll be using if you want to actually go into HTML development. For that, you're mostly using applications like VS Code. I think it's
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
okay. I mean, image just to show you how all of this is supposed to look on a web page with the elements and everything. But this site is basically just to assist people. It's not mainly for if you want to go into serious endeavors, serious projects. It's just for it's just for learning basically.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
So first Johan was up a couple of times. You want to say something?
Yes, I wanted to add to what you said. You were talking about HTML and the heading and the closing tags and how H1, P, UL, LI, and OL are elements. Yeah.
Okay, that's okay. That's good. That's good. So seems like some of you understand. Is anybody else that would like to say something? Uh, Anybody else?
This is
Solicitors,
my
would you like to say something? Okay. Well,
no, sir.
I hope all of us are
Off.
following. Oh,
I'm trying to turn off my mic, but it's network connection.
oh, okay, it's fine. So hopefully everybody understands. If you understand what we're doing up to this point, raise up your answer. We can continue. Okay. All right. We're going to go into more elements now. Next thing we're going to do is breaking a break element. Now, a break element is simply what stops this paragraph from continuing, and it carries what follows after it to the next line. And I'll show you. A break element is shown by using this. Can you guys see what's happening? Now, what this does is that it stops whatever was flowing along that line and carries what is after it onto the next line. Now, this can be used multiple times. If to say I have more words, like now, if you notice, I can add this here and it breaks it again. Now, this is something you would do if you have too much text and you don't want it to run a one long continuous string. You can break it. You guys understand breaking? It's fairly easy to do.
Yes, sir.
Yes, I understand.
Yes,
Yes,
I
sir.
understand.
Yes, sir. I understand. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yeah.
Please mute your mic. Okay. So stop that from happening. If you understand, please, your hand raised will be okay. Firstly, is your hand for a question or you understand?
It's for a question.
Okay, please ask.
Sir, do you also close the break tag?
No, you do not. Now, you don't close the break tag because the break tag is basically just a break. Everything before it. Okay, let's explain it like this. If I remove this first break tag, you see how it looks, right?
Yes.
Firstly,
Yeah, I'm
Yes.
hearing you.
you see how it looks, right? Now, the essence of a break tag is to stop whatever that line is and carry what is after it onto the next line. So you don't really need a break tag, or you don't really need a kind of opening and closing tag.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay.
Has your question be answered?
Yes.
Does anybody else have a question? Raise your hand if you have a question. And Deacon, what's your question?
My question is that the element P, please, what's its function? I kind of forgot.
The element P.
Yes, what's its function?
Oh, P is your paragraph. It's your paragraph under your heading.
Oh, like, oh, I thought it creates like a paragraph. So just everything after your heading is under P.
No, 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 no. Yeah. No, not really. P is just a paragraph. It's just your paragraph. You can put everything here under P, everything you're on that list, but basically P is just a paragraph. It's just where your paragraph or your write-up is contained inside.
Oh, okay, I get.
Okay. Yeah, but everything, the P, the UL, the OL, everything of this is under your headings, under your H1.
Oh,
Yeah. That's why when we get to H2, if we get to H2, we do the same thing. P,
oh, wow, wow,
and it continues there.
wow.
You understand?
Yeah, I do.
So that's the essence of your elements. Without this, your computer will not know what is where and where is what. So All of this now, I can have it under here and to give you the same thing. As I said, your heading is your main, this is your main header for whatever you're doing. And this H2 is your subheading under everything, which is why you can have multiple H2s. Okay, come here. H2. And it gives you that again. Oh, sorry, not H1. And it gives you this. You understand? And you can.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I understand. Yes, I understand.
Okay. For those of you that doesn't understand, Nikan's question is if everything here is under P. Now, what I was trying to tell him that everything could be under P, but it doesn't necessarily have to be, as long as it's under your H. Now, your H is the main heading for whatever you're doing, and you can have extra subheadings, which are your H2s, which is this high and this mean. Okay. You could also have multiple H1s, which are your main headings, but I'll get to that tomorrow. Right now, I just want to show you basic elements under your paragraph. So let's go to something else. Now, we'll go to an emphasis text. I need to tell you what it does. I'm trying to set up something. Okay, now your emphasis text. Let's You guys understand the breaking, right? Because I'm going to remove it. You understand what breaking does? Just raise your hand up. I don't just hands up if you understand what breaking does. And Blaze, do you have a question, or is this for it? Is this showing that you understand?
Yes, sir. I have a question. This
Okay.
this other element, this
Sorry, I can't hear you
like
well. You're
what does
breaking.
it do? Okay,
What
sir.
what exactly are you talking about?
I said this li this element li. What does it do?
Oh, is
Yes.
um whatever do does, please remove it quickly. Okay,
Eh?
thank you. Now, like I was saying, I'm answering your question now. Now, you know what UL is, right? UL is your unordered list.
So sorry, I
Please
can't
leave your
hear
mic
you.
on because I've become listening. Oh, I said you understand what UL and OL means, first of all, before I get into that.
No, I don't understand this the thing.
Okay.
But I understand the H1 and the A.
Okay. Now, UL is basically your ordered list and your unordered list. Or UL and OL. OL means ordered list, OL. While your UL means your unordered list. Now, what differentiates your unordered list from your ordered list is the bullet points and the numbers.
Okay.
Now, your ordered list gives you an exact number of the amount of things you've ordered. while an unordered list just shows you that you've listed things, you've listed items on your web page. Now, what this LI does, do you understand?
Yes, yes.
Now, what this LI does, it is just used to create an item on the list.
Okay.
Let me try something. If it will work. Now you can see. Let's say I remove this.
Okay.
All it shows you. Okay. You see, right?
Yes.
Okay. Also, Andy, this doesn't mean that in VS Code you can remove it and you'll be seeing it like this on your web page. Because you asked me something like this last time.
Yeah, sure.
Okay.
Okay. So I hope I'm blessed to answer the question.
Yes, yes.
You understand what it does now?
Yes, I understand. Thank you.
Okay. So, Flowers, you raised your hand. Do you have a question?
No, sir,
Flowers.
I was indicating that I understand.
Oh, okay.
No, sir, I was indicating that I understand.
Okay. Okay, that's all right. So, the rest of you, if you understand, please raise up your hand. If you understand, please raise up your hand. Can't be any stupid hours. There's something here. Blessed, Akan, and Deacon, Ekemini. The rest of you do not understand.
Again,
Okay. So you all understand. Please, if you could raise up your hand, I need a lot of hands here before I can continue. Because if you don't have, I'll need you to ask the question and I'll explain. Okay. All right then. Let's continue. Let's continue. So the next element I'm going to be talking about is okay. The next element we'll be talking about is your emphasis. The emphasis tab. Now, okay, now what this does is, oh, I'll tell you in a minute. Now, what this EM does, or as you can call it, your emphasis tag, is that it italicizes whatever you want to put in between it. So let's say I want to carry this, put it at the end here, the closing tag. Here. You can see what it does, right? It takes whatever is in between the opening and closing tag and it italicizes it to show that you're putting emphasis on a certain thing. Do you guys understand?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay. So
Yes,
let's
yes,
go to
sir.
a different let's go to a different tab. So Mark.
Properly, properly. When you say emphasize, you mean like it makes it like it makes it slanted.
Yeah, italics is showing that you want to emphasize something.
Oh, so what does it do to emphasize?
Oh, what you can see what is in between the opening and closing tab.
Oh, okay, okay,
You're seeing it, right?
okay. But you have to close it, right?
Yeah, this one you have to close it. You're putting it. If you leave it, let me show you something. Let's show you something. If you leave it open, what it does is it emphasizes everything else from where you started it from to the end of the end of whatever you're doing. You can see that, right? Deacon,
Yes, sir. I can see it.
you can see it.
Yes, sir.
So the difference between this and a breaker is that a breaker, all it does is it breaks whatever you're doing. You don't necessarily need to close it because it won't break the whole. It won't break everything that you're. All it does is it stops where you put it and carries whatever is next to the next line. Meanwhile, emphasis it shows emphasis on a certain thing. So you have to what you have to close this one. You understand?
Yes, I do understand.
Okay. Tolu, you have a question. You have a question. Luwani David, you have a question. Your hand has been up for a while. Okay. If at all is a question, when you're hopefully it's not what guys holding you. If you have a question when you're back, you can ask it. Now, I was going to go onto a different tag used for emphasis as well. And it's this tag shows highlighted text and it is shown by using mark. You guys can see what I'm doing, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Let's say okay. Now, what this does is it highlights text within the paragraph. That's all. Within the paragraph, within whatever you need to highlight. That's what happens if I put it here. Now, okay, the difference between mark and emphasis is that the italics, the emphasis emphasizes everything, while while the highlighted tag, all it does is that it tags whatever you put it under. Do you guys understand?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Right. Okay. So let's go on to something else. You guys understand what the elements of John far is now? The emphasis, the mark, everything like that, right?
Yes, I do.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
What? You guys understand, right?
Please, sir, I have a question.
Yes, sir. Yes,
Okay,
sir.
let's
Yes,
ask.
sir. We understand.
Who has a question?
Sir, size me. Sir, please, I want to
Okay,
ask.
what's the
Tag, tags and elements, are they different things?
parts and elements?
Yes.
Hmm?
Yes, yes. Tags and elements, are they different things or are they the same?
Oh, okay. Now, your elements are all these things, your H, your P's, your EMs, your marks, your and others list, all of those. Oh,
Okay,
sorry,
sir.
I mixed up. Your no, wait, your tag is basically all of this, all your H1, your P's, your ULs, your OLs, your H2s, everything like that. You understand?
Yeah.
While the elements, everything inside the whole thing inside the tag, the context, the closing tag. Do you understand?
Yes.
You understand?
Okay. Okay. Yeah.
You have another question?
No, no.
Akan, your hand has been up. You have a question?
So in the real world, so like does the like in the real coding base, not just like beginner stuff. So does when you type in like that greater than then Apple LI and then less than, so does that mean you will naturally duplicate it its ending?
Yes, if the styles you're using, because there are multiple styles you can use to create HTML pages, like your Notes app, your VS Code. Now let's say you're using VS Code. VS Code, what it does, it helps you is basically like shortcuts. So it will help you.
Yes, sir.
It will
Thank you,
help
sir.
you. Yeah, I don't want to get my VS Code now. Even I would have shown you. Or do you guys want me to
Okay,
show
sir.
you how it works in VS Code before you come
Yes,
back
sir.
here?
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Okay. Now this is a simple project that I've been working on. Can you guys see my screen?
What Jesus Christ?
Jesus Christ.
Hopefully, at the end of this is what I would expect all of you to be able to do.
Sir? What?
Yeah, wait. Don't be
It
too,
looks
don't be
so
too scared. All of
complex.
this is, yes, it does. It is supposed to.
I don't think I can do this.
Okay. This is your CSS. This is what you'll be doing in CSS. Oh, not there now. This
Yes,
is your HTML.
man.
This is
Okay, now this one looks easier.
yeah. This looks easier. Tomorrow I'm going to go deeper into this. Is just what I'm doing today is just for you to understand basic things in CSS. HTML. Tomorrow I'm going to
I
go
think
fully
using
practical.
VS
So
Code.
I'll be
I
showing
think
you.
using VS Code for this system is better.
It's better, but not everybody knows how to use it. I want to start with basic elements first before I go into VS Code. You get me?
Oh, okay.
So if you guys want to use VS Code, I highly suggest you download it today.
So please, VS what?
Visual Studio Code. Like Andy, what I was telling you, this is the main things you'll be. This if you want to run high a lot of projects, this is the main things you'll be doing. You guys understand? Any of you on this
Yes,
code, you
sir.
understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
I have a
So,
question.
do you? Yeah, what's the question?
I thought the CSS was meant to be inside the code.
The CSS. I will get there. The sense of past, let me explain now. Do you see this link here?
Yes.
Yes,
Oh,
sir.
okay. Yes.
Okay. Now, what this link does is that it links your HTML to your CSS file, which is this.
Okay. Ah,
Yeah, it's a lot. It's
okay.
something I've been working on for a while. So, this is also there's also a link to link. This is your JavaScript. This, in the course of web, you'll be doing all of this. Though not as bulky as what I'm showing you right now. Are you guys seeing?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. This is your JavaScript. I will not go into
Okay.
what all of this does yet. You guys can see the numbers now. When you're doing all these things, if you're going for a lot, like if you're going for like big projects, it will be a lot more than this one. Or this one that you're seeing from here. This in some cases this can be considered short projects that I've done. Mr. And do you want to see what it looks like on the browser?
Okay.
Yes, sir.
What?
Okay. Yes, sir.
If you do raise up your hand, you want to see what it looks like on your browser. Raise up your hand. Oh, I guess you don't see this thing. Okay,
Sir, please, it should be something crazy. No, I'll go and see only two words for all this line of code.
you see.
Not
Let's
possible.
go there.
Actually, it's possible, sure. It's possible. We're not learning.
Now, I was
Not
told
to worry.
on this software so I can show you what the browser looks like.
So I went up to 600 line of code.
Okay, let's wait till you can see my screen. Can you see my screen? Can you see my screen?
You,
Yes, sir, we can.
yes, sir.
Yo. So I said, hey,
Yeah, mouse is better.
wow, wow.
You guys can see this. All these interactions and all of
So,
this is done by
so
JavaScript.
click on mouse to
Java
let me see something.
and CSS.
That's really done. Just some
This,
details.
wow. Movie.
You guys can see that, right? All these two things that you're seeing here, all of this is done by JavaScript. The design is done by CSS, and the write-offs and everything like this, all the write-offs and all of this is done by HTML. You can see how it's different from what I've been doing. You can see that, right?
Yes, sir.
You guys will be able to do something like this once you learn HTML, CSS, and Java. For the next 2 days, I'll be taking on HTML, then we'll go to CSS, and then we'll go to Java. Are you guys ready?
Yes, sir.
Like this, like this random facts now. This is what it does. All of this is done by CSS. Sorry, Java. You guys can see that, right?